Hello traders, the title of the video is how to swing trade using the CCI indicator. Alright, so I want to give you one example here where you can swing a trade using the commodity channel index indicator. Alright, so the problem that we face when we are swing trading using a technical indicator such as the CCI indicator is that we tend to spend more time on the technical indicator instead of the price. So for the CCI indicator, because it's a powerful technical oscillator, what I want to bring into the mind of traders that first look for, it's okay, let's say it is okay to look for the CCI trading setup, i.e. CCI oversold, CCI overbought, CCI divergence, alright, and so on, CCI patterns, and so on. So look for the CCI setup, alright. But because a lot of traders will stop only on the CCI setup and then they will swing a trade. It's a mistake, alright. So look for the CCI setup first, and then look for the confirmation. So you want the price also to have to confirm the CCI setup. So I think with those setup aligning beautifully, you are likely to start your CCI swing trading on a solid ground. All right. So anytime you see the CCI overbought, oversold, that is a CCI trading setup. Now wait for the price also. Look at the price itself and see whether there is also the price action setup. So look at this here. The CCI period 14 on my chart is well below the level of negative 100, minus 100. Here it is. This is oversold CCI trading setup. Now, a lot of swing traders will be looking for an opportunity to buy this stock. I'm looking at a TripAdvisor. TripAdvisor. The epic is a TRIP, Tango Romeo India Papa. So now let's look at the price itself. You can see that I draw a line on my chart. All right. Let's go through this step by step. All right. That line is a key level. Look at this. So the price was oscillating here among the quarterly chart. So each candlestick bar here is 3-month candlestick bar. All right. So for 9 months, the price will find a resistance. And that's also this one. You see, it went up to it, but they got a shadow here. This one also got a shadow, and this one also got a shadow. It's a key level of $44.72. All right. So finally, the price breaks above it and run away. So what is happening now is that the price breaks above that key level, is now retesting it. All right. At the same time, the CCI period 14 is oversold. So we have a CCI setup, which is the CCI 14 oversold. We have the price action, the setup, which is breaks above a key level and retesting a key level. So at this junction, as a swing trader, using the CCI period 14, we will say priority to bullish signal above the level of $44.72 and priority bearish signal below it. Another thing that we can look for, so apart from the price action, we can also look at candlestick pattern, which means we are analyzing the reaction of the price. So you can see that the price was quite volatile. You see they drop it down very fast to that level, $44.74. But the following candlestick bar, you can see that it's very, if you understand what is happening here, the second candlestick bar rally up to retest the median line of this candlestick bar, and they sold it down. This is a beautiful sell signal. But as they sold it, the price did not go down very much, which means you see that this candlestick bar did not have a long body like this one. But in fact, it was a sell setup here because the price rally up to retest the median line of that bearish candlestick bar here, and people sold it. But price went down. You see, It went down, but not too far from the opening price, all right? Not too far from the opening price. So, and now we have this month of April 2017, and it's not going down very much. So there is a kind of a hold up, so to speak, a hold up around that key level. So for us as a swing trader, we have a CCI oversold, price breaks above a key level, retesting that key level, we'll give priority to bullish signal above, give priority to bear signal below. But now, because we are swing traders, we must apply a top-down trading method. All right. So a lot of traders may say to me, George, you went too far on the quarterly chart, so I'm going to drop it down to the monthly chart, okay? So now I'm on the monthly chart. It's the same scenario. You can see here, price went up, pull back. See here, we tested in the same zone here. We're on the monthly chart now, okay? I'm going to apply a different time frame trading method using the monthly chart. In fact, it's a quarterly chart, but I don't want to use the quarterly chart for my trading setup in this case because it will become a position trading. Therefore, because the position traders use the quarterly chart, so I'll drop it down to the monthly chart for swing trading setup. Okay, so now we have a setup on the monthly chart. So let's go to the daily chart, which is the corresponding signal time frame. What is happening here? You see here what's happening on the daily chart around that level. So price gap down. Okay, here you see here from this low here. And now it come down again, and it's low here. So in fact, you can see that what I say to traders, the low before the last low is a psychological price level. So if the price manages to go above the level of $47, it's $46.59, which is the prior low, the low before the last low, it will indicate to us that this stock is becoming bullish on the daily chart. All right. But apart from that, you can see that the price is forming a base here, a beautiful base. And it is a kind of consolidation taking place here on the daily chart. But we are below the level of $44.72. All right. So there's a kind of consolidation going on in this session between the $44.72 and the $40 level. All right. Personally, I will put this stock on my bullish watch list. And I would prefer, now as I'm on the daily chart, I would prefer it to break at least, see here, this trend line, you see this trend line? That bearish trend line, okay, to break above that bearish trend line on the daily chart, okay? No rush, so we prefer it to break above the red trend line, all right? Preferably to go above, all right, so break above, retest, all right, and that will, so if he did that, it breaks above it nicely and retest it here, start turning around, that will constitute our signal here. All right, will he do that? Maybe, maybe not. All right, that would be great if he can go up nicely and pull back to retest it here, and then we can see that, all right, on the daily chart we have an inverted head and shoulder chart pattern, and this will constitute the left hand side shoulder because the price will break above that bearish trend line, try to retest the prior low, and if he finds support on that prior low, which is a psychological price level, we will now declare that we have a signal, and then from there we go to the hourly time frame, okay, to enter the trade. So you may say to me, George, I don't want to enter the trade on the hourly time frame. Therefore, if you do not want to enter the trade on the hourly time frame, at the time when the price is retesting the prior low, if it's doing that, it does not have to, all right, we will use instead the daily chart again as our trading setup, and then we go and use the hourly time frame for the signal, okay, and then we use the 10-minute time frame for the entry. So you may say, George, I don't want to enter on a 10-minute time frame. For swing trading, I prefer that trader enter their swing trade either on a 10-minute time frame or 15-minute time frame. All right. Though we can go below, I prefer that traders use either 10-minute or 15-minute time frame for swing trading purposes. All right. Or we will prefer a prime, either it breaks a board and form a higher low. All right. Sometimes the prime may not retest the trend line, but instead will form a higher low. If that is the case on a daily chart, we will consider that, start turning around a little bit. We'll consider that as a bullish signal for swing trading purposes. But then we will enter the trade, on the hourly time frame. If we do not want to enter the trade on the hourly time frame, we use the daily chart as a trading setup, hourly time frame for the signal, and 10-minute time frame for the entry. Now, you may be wondering and say, George, you are talking about swing trading using the CCI indicator. Yes, it's CCI period 14, well oversold. It's a CCI, setup, trading setup. Now, to avoid trading mistake, we want also the price action setup. So in this case, we see that on the quarterly chart, the price breaks above that key level and was retesting that key level. All right, $44.72. All right, it's a bullish trade. It's a breakable retest. All right. Now, we cannot just go as a swing traders, buy anytime, anywhere, anyhow. We must now implement different time frame trading method. This is the best approach. All right. So you may say, all right, why don't we use the CCI gain on the daily chart as a setup? No, our setup begins from the quarterly chart. CCI is oversold. That's enough. That's it. Finished. All right. Okay, I'm not saying that you cannot use it again on a daily chart. If you want to, you can. But see here now, you see it's well on the daily chart. It's above the zero line in the bullish zone. But you want to, once you see the setup on the higher time frame, you need now, once you start applying a top-down trading method, your attention should be on the price action. Otherwise you will end up making mistake. You don't want to make a mistake. So here on the daily chart, there is a consolidation taking place. People are buying near this low here, and it's heading towards the resistance level. Will it break above that level? All right. So if you were here, there's another thing I want to show trader very fast. I talk about it. Which channel is the 2-4 stock trader, the triangle. Let me tell you now. I recommend to traders that are trading stock to subscribe to 2-4 stock trader YouTube channel, because it's one of our channel when I'm busy. Try to build that new channel talking about stock trading. All right. So if you trade stock, there's a video that I titled "The Power of the Triangle Chart Pattern High Probability Trading." The power of the triangle chart pattern high probability trading at 2-4 digit 2 digit 4 stock trader YouTube channel. All right. YouTube search that title and you see that video by 2-4 stock trader YouTube channel. Very powerful. So here again, this is what we are talking about, multi-talented trading. There's a triangle here. Can you see the triangle? So try confine the triangle. If you see, there's a breakout taking place. This is another signal for those who are using the triangle. But for the triangle, if the price form a higher low above any triangle, it's a high probability trading setup. So in this case, on a daily chart, because our setup on the quarterly chart, CCI is oversold, price also breaks above a key level, retesting the key level. Now, remember that we want to give priority to bullish signal above the $44.72. It's very important for us to remember that. So if you form a higher low above a triangle, that higher low will constitute a higher probability trading setup. So that signal, higher low on the daily chart above the triangle, is a high probability trading signal. Will now go to the signal time frame to enter the trade. All right. I don't want the video to be too long, so you may look for all kind of CCI setup. I've been recording video about CCI at the Pro Trader YouTube channel, talking about different setup. CCI forming a higher low near the zero line, those kind of setup. CCI overbought, CCI divergences, all kind of CCI chart pattern. CCI breaking above its bearish trend line, CCI breaking below its bullish trend line. Okay, all kind of CCI set up, all right, look for them. But very important, once you find one CCI setup as a swing trader, you want the price setup. Is there any price setup? If none, you may put aside that CCI setup because it's just a warning. We are talking about confirmation, price confirming the CCI, and CCI confirming the price, aligning together. Now we have a gorgeous, beautiful CCI setup. Then we go to the next stage, implementing a top-down trading method. But as you can see, all I'm doing now so far, I'm just analyzing this stock, a trip advisor, all right, a pick a TRIP. But as a swing trader, talking about swing trading like a pro, we will now implement the trading triangle, all right. Where is the S&P 500? What's going on now, all right? All right. The sector, all right, the individual financial instrument. This is about the trading triangle. All right, we check the economy news relating to TripAdvisor, very, very important. What are the related company, the competitors? Check a little bit, know a little bit story, what's going on. So you do not just swing trade using technical analysis alone, and then the next day they see that, oh, because Mr. Macron, Emmanuel Macron in Paris, all right, is likely to win an election. That's why the stock got up today. So you want to have a bit of idea, okay, how the economy news, all right, around the world can affect what you're about to trade. Is it the best time to swing trade, or especially to be bullish or to be bearish, all right? So nothing, all right, can affect your swing trade, because as a swing trader, you're going to remain in the trade for a few days. So, all right, you need to do a bit of work. All right? All right, this is the end of this tutorial about how to swing a trade using the CCI indicator. All right, if you have any question or suggestion, feel free to put in a comment section. In due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. If you like this video, all right, if you think that this video has been useful to you, all right, let us know by giving us the thumbs up. If you think that, George, this is another blah, 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 I love you, George, but this is another blah, 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 let us know. Give us the thumbs down so I may know that, all right, George, you need to improve more, all right? But if you think that this is an amazing video, all right, so feel free to share it on Google+, on Twitter, and also on Facebook. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24, a traders talking about how to swing trade using the CCI indicator. Happy trading to you all, and speak to you soon.